Hey there, welcome to Tim Talks Cooking. I'm Tim, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a classic daiquiri. In fact, we're going to prepare two different kinds of daiquiris that I've ketofied for low-carb dieters and people who don't use sugar in their diets. First of all, we're going to use the recipe of Martha Stewart, without sugar, mind you, that uses fresh strawberries. We're going to compare that to a recipe by famous New York chef Geoffrey Zakarian using frozen strawberries. Let's get started.
Presentation is important, so let's start by preparing our glasses. Here we're going to make a garnish with some erythritol, 1/4 cup, as well as the zest of 2 limes. And go ahead and just grate that right on into the bowl of your food processor, just like this. And there we go. And now I'm going to put the cover back on. I'm going to try to put the cover back on, give it a whoosh, and then next we're going to remove the cover and pour it out into a plate. And we're going to spread it out next. Give it a shake, spread it out more or less evenly. You don't have to be perfect about it. Next, take another plate, and here we're going to take a half a lime, and I'm going to give it a good squeeze, just like this. You want to get as much of the juice out of it as you can, of course. And next, I'm going to take our glasses, well, one of the glasses, and dip it in there. We're going to wet the rim as thoroughly as we can. And next, dip it in the erythritol and lime zest. And there you have it. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's make the actual cocktail. It starts off with 5 ounces, that's 150 milliliters of white rum. And I'll just pour that on in there. Obviously, we need some lime juice. Here, I've got 2 ounces, that's 60 milliliters of freshly squeezed lime juice. And you do want to use freshly squeezed, of course. Next, we need some sweetener. I'm going to use 1½ teaspoons of powdered stevia. You can alter that to your own taste, of course. Then, a pound or 500 grams of fresh strawberries that have been hulled. Just put those right on in there, just like that. We're also going to need the same amount, that's 16 ounces or 500 grams of ice. And in it goes. There we go. And next, I'm going to put the lid back on and get this show on the road. There we go. We're going to pour this into our prepared glass, just like this. And there you have the Martha Stewart Strawberry Daiquiri. Now the Geoffrey Zakarian Daiquiri is actually a little bit simpler, believe it or not. It starts off with 8 ounces of white rum, and I'm just going to go right ahead and pour that into the blender. We're going to need a little sweetener as well. You can, of course, do this to taste. I'm going to use a teaspoon of powdered stevia. Of course, we're going to need some lime juice. This is 5 ounces of freshly squeezed lime juice. And then, of course, we have the star of the show. I've got a pound of frozen strawberries here, and I'm just going to go ahead and put them right in, put the lid, and blend it up. Next, we're going to serve this. I'm just going to go ahead and pour this into our glass, fill it up. This is a pretty big serving, actually, maybe a double serving here. Looks pretty, though. And I'm going to prepare a garnish with a strawberry. This is very simple. I'm going to make a small cut in the bottom and stick it in the glass just like that. And there you have the Geoffrey Zakarian Frozen Strawberry Daiquiri.
Well, here we go. Let's check these out. This is the Martha Stewart Daiquiri. Wow, is that good? I love the erythritol with the lime zest on the rim. It's delicious. It's sweet, really lovely, very fruity and fresh. And here we've got the Geoffrey Zakarian Daiquiri. Ooh, also just lovely. Not as sweet and has a little bit more alcohol in it. Ooh, that is really good. I think you're going to like both of these daiquiris. I hope you try them both. I also hope that you will like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to my channel. It helps my channel grow. It helps you find my videos, especially if you click on that notifications bell. Thanks for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking. We'll catch you next time.